Hi, this is M. Prasad Naidu. Today we are discussing about the cytochromes. First of all, what is cytochrome? Cytochromes are electron carriers containing heme. So heme in the class like cytochrome A, B, C. Differ in the substance on the porphyrin ring. Some cytochromes B and C1 and A3 part of large integral membrane protein complex. Cytochrome C is a small water soluble protein. So heme is like a prosthetic group of cytochrome and heme containing an iron atom in the porphyrin system. So how the heme iron can be undergoes the transition between the ferric and ferrous states Fe3 plus Fe2. So copper ion besides two heme groups like A and A3 act as an electron carrier and cytochrome A and A3 copper iron. Copper is cuprous to copper. So cytochrome like NAD mitochondrial FMN this means this is involving to the cytochromes in the electron transport chain like complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, complex 4, complex 5. These are the 5 micro electron transport to 5 complexes there, and B and C3 like C1 catalyzed transport to the cytochrome. C pumps protons and redox for couples and Q cycles and coupled ubiquitinol redox reactions occur either side of the membrane. So quinol binding site labeled QP and Q and positive and negative selectively diverts from the QP either cytochromes or C or 2 and so Q cycle quinol binds and QP electron transport is heme CO cytochrome 3-1. So second electron transfer to the ubiquinol at QL via the hemoglobin Bl2 and BH and quinol replaced by the quinol at QP. So above the steps are repeated heme C fully reduced process these things one quinol consumed, 2 consumed, but 1 is regenerated. 4 hydrogen molecules released to the cytoplasm and 2 hydrogen molecules taken from the matrix. So how it means complex 5 are cytochromes to C oxidase that catalyzes the transfer of electron from the cytochrome C and 2 oxygen. Energy labeled to pump proton through the conformational changes and reduction of the to water and one of the most important reactions in biology. More hydrogen plus hydrogen ions taken from matrix side which balanced basically complex for which more than hydrogen released to cytoplasmic side. So how some of the we'll discuss about the distribution of cofactors. Subunit 1 heme heme and binuclear center heme A3 and Q P3 it is the binuclear center which forms active site or oxygen reductions. Subunit 2 dinuclear center QUA which is 2 copper atoms. So electrons first transfer to cytochrome C to QA. So passed on to binuclear center via the heme A. Also magnesium ions present at the interface between the subunits. So ethanol metabolism, coming to the ethanol metabolism. So and also it is involves the apoptic pathway effects on modulators. There are 2 major apoptic pathways in mammalian cells. The death receptors pathways explained by the FSL binding to extracellular receptors cause the formations of disc that result in the activations of caspase. So the mitochondrial pathway is activated at most cellular stress. A resulting signaling intracellular changes cause the release of cytochromes into the cytochrome C into the cytosol. The cytochrome C binds with the alpha 1 and proscaps it forms apoptosis catalyzes the activations of caspase 9. So the major pathway and also involving some of the relations about these cytochromes. So initiator caspase such as 8 and 9 activate the effects of caspase that kills the multiple cellular proteins. Caspase is characterized as by an active site cysteine and BCL2 proto-oncogene that first was discovered in B cell lymphoma, and B cell prevents apoptosis, blocking the results of cytochrome C from forms the mitochondria and unknown mechanism. There are many BCL homologs, some of the pro and other anti-apoptic functions. The ratio between these 2 types of helps determine the fate fat cell of the cells. Additional information, but BCL2 is familiar members can be found. Cytochrome C and cellular redox environment. cytochrome C in solution can act as an antioxidant and also reactive oxygen species scavenging function for cytochrome C in the intermembrane space has been proposed by the Skolstad. So release cytochrome C into the cytosol from the mitochondria and interrupt the electron transport chain, resulting in the increased production of superoxide forms in mitochondria. So how the bindings of cytochrome C to form the apoptosomes and activate the caspase 9 does not appear to depend on the ability to cytochrome C to transport to or accept electron. However, the reduction state cytochrome C may still be important because of reduction and oxidation cause conformational changes that may be critical for cytochrome C binding alpha to alpha 1 to phosphates. So that's all the things about biochemistry and aspects about the cytochromes.